Hey guys, we are here at the Bellagio. We decided to do a quick staycation for the night. Had a complimentary offer through Mlife. If you guys have not signed up for Mlife, please do. It's the MGM Rewards card, and just use it whenever you gamble, pay for anything that you do on any MGM property. Just offer to give them the card. They'll give you points. So anyway, so I was able to get this one with MGM though. With comp rooms, you still have to pay the resort fee plus any tax on that resort fee. So for Bellagio, the resort fee is $45, and then the additional tax, I think it's like $55 or something like that, that it comes out to, but totally worth it. So this is a resort, one king. Now, I think the guy said he upgraded me because I am platinum with Mlife, so I think that's the view, and I'll show you there. That's the upgrade, but you can't go wrong with Bellagio. It's great. This is the entry area, which is pretty standard, but a little bit bigger than some of the other hotels on the Strip. We'll go right into the bathroom. You guys know I love having a tub in the bathroom, so this is definitely a plus. As you can tell, this is a tubby for one. You might get two people in there. Hey, it's Vegas, so you can fit as many people as you'd like in there. And you have a standard shower on this side here, which is actually pretty big. You could probably have a little fun in there. All right, let's go out and check out this room. So coming through the entry here, nice artwork here. And a pretty spacious room. This is, I think it's about 450 square feet-ish. So pretty nice, spacious room here. If you guys know or watch our other videos, we always get a one king. If they don't have a one king available, we will do two queens, but our preference is always one king because you get more space in the room and you probably get some furniture too. So it's pretty nice. Got a flat screen up there. Counter. Check this out for all you techie nerds like me. You have all of your ports up here. Closet. Oh, look at this here. What do they leave for us? A little swag gift here. What do we got here? It's probably a mask. Okay. Nice. Hand sanitizer. Two masks, which is nice. My other Bellagio mask is a little pilly. I like these because they have a nose clip on them, so they stay secure there. And they're really soft fabric, so they're comfortable on your face, and especially when you're kind of scruffy like I am right now. So thanks, Bellagio. And let's check this upgrade out. All right. Yeah, it's the pool. And there's actually people in there. There's people in the pool. That's awesome. Just so you know, the reason I'm laughing about people being in the pool, it is the middle of, or second week of January, and daytime highs today in Vegas are going to be in the high 50s. So that's pretty awesome. They must be from Minnesota or something. Maybe they're from Canada. Who knows? Anyway, guys, so again, this is a resort, one king, complimentary because of Mlife. And again, if you are not signed up with Mlife Rewards, do so. It doesn't cost you anything, just takes a couple minutes. And if you prefer Caesars Entertainment, get yourself a Caesars Reward card as well. And if you guys like this video, which how could you not like watching a room tour in Vegas in the Bellagio, right? Please like, subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow our channel here in 2021. Thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching.